Hey everyone, how's it going? My name is Hentry, and in this video, I'm going to share everything you need to know about Victory of Christ before you decide to buy it. I also have some important warnings for you, so make sure to watch this video all the way to the end to avoid losing your money. First and foremost, be careful where you purchase this product. Victory of Christ is only sold on the official website, so to help you out, I've left the official link in the video description and pinned it in the first comment below. Now, let's dive into my review and my personal experience to help you decide whether Victory of Christ really works. What is Victory of Christ? God's promises aren't distant or out of reach, they are meant to be lived and experienced every single day. One of those powerful promises is healing. God's healing isn't just about physical restoration. It touches every aspect of your life, your body, your mind, and your soul. Whether you're struggling with illness, emotional wounds, or spiritual battles, God's healing power brings true transformation from the inside out. But healing is just the beginning. Abundant blessings. God has an incredible plan for His children, filled with overflowing blessings. These blessings go beyond material wealth, they extend to relationships, opportunities, joy, and purpose. When we align our lives with Him, His goodness and grace flow in ways beyond what we could ever imagine. Unshakable peace. In a world full of chaos and uncertainty, God offers peace that surpasses all understanding. His peace is not dependent on external circumstances. It's a deep, unshakable assurance that no matter what happens, He is in control. The best part? These promises aren't just for a select few. They are available to you, right now. All it takes is faith, trusting in God's power and stepping into the fullness of what He has prepared for you. His healing, His blessings, and His peace are all within your reach today. So if you're ready to experience the transformative power of His love in every area of your life, take that step of faith. Embrace His promises, and watch as He moves in ways beyond what you ever expected. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if you've experienced His power in your life. And don't forget to check out the official link below for more details. Blessings to you all.